Hi everybody! Hope that you all are having a great day. I am back and ready to start recording. Guess what we are finally getting to? November videos. It is like November the 12th, I think. So almost halfway through the month, but we're gonna get to that first November paycheck that I got back way in October. But if you've been watching my videos, then you know that I have been struggling to figure out how to schedule and how to make my budget for the new house and all of the bills that come with it. But I've got that together. Those videos are up, so go ahead and check those out so that you can watch the struggle with me, and then you'll see the final product, the outcome of how I was able to get everything together. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in just a minute. Okay, so I've got my little cheat sheet over here from where I worked all the numbers out. Let's go ahead and get this officially in for our budget. So paycheck date was October, I think, 29th, 2021. And the amount was $1,756. And we start, as always, envelopes, so $300 for our envelopes. And then we have mortgage now. That's $1,933. Adobe. So I'm putting $30 for Adobe. I use Adobe for my editing for my video. It is cold, y'all. I live in North Texas and we're finally starting to get some fall weather, so I'm chilly. But still having sinuses and allergies and all that fun stuff. So of course it's just a great time to be had. So if I'm sniffling or something, I'm sorry. But I have Adobe for my editing, for my videos, and I had the full package for the student. I could probably still have that, but right now, oh, the cat wants to be let out. Okay. But now I was looking at, maybe I'll just get the Adobe Premiere Pro and the Illustrator, I think that came with it. It might have been the set. I don't know. I don't know how much it's actually going to be. I don't know if I'm going to like that. I don't know if maybe I could afford to get a better package. So we're going to play around with Adobe for a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Then student loans. So student loans are still not being required to be repaid. I have 2, though, that are still needing to be paid. So I put $50 aside for that. I have my water bill. And I put Mustang because that's the company, and that's $85. And then I have trash, and that is $55. I am still figuring things out and still learning. I don't know if I have to pay the water bill every month or every other month, or the trash bill every month or every other month, because I saw somewhere on one of them that it was every other month, and I just really wasn't paying attention, and I should have been. Sinking funds. So we went over our sinking funds, I believe, last time. So it's $280 now, which that number will be changing because I've taken out some of my sinking funds to go into investing or to go into high yield savings accounts. So we'll talk about that when I go over my savings video and my sinking funds video. But I still pulled out the $280 for that, and I'll adjust my budget next month. Travel, we actually have some money for travel, $30 whole dollars. Cushion is $5. I really want to build my cushion up to $500. And then Banfield is $54. Alrighty. So let's go see how much that is. Pull up my calculator on my phone. Let's add this up. So we have 300 plus 1933 plus 30 plus 50 plus 85 plus 55 plus 280 plus 30 plus 5 plus 54. Uh-oh. Oh, ha! That's because I was like, the check amount was only 1,700. Right, I pulled over 1,067 from my account. That's how I'm going to start doing this. And I need to go grab the money from the one account and put it into this account so that I have a total actually of, oh, and it should be $6 for cushion. Okay. So if I change that from 5 to 6, because this total should be 2,823, and that gives me on this one a total of 2,823, which gives me 0 left over. Fantastic. So we've zeroed out this budget for the first half of the month, and that's everything. So now I get to go over and I will be doing some sinking funds, some cash stuffing for sinking funds, and we'll talk about all of that. So thanks for watching. I hope that you're having a great month, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Thank you.